Hi there folks, I'm John, this is Kevin, and in today's video we're looking at a new DeWalt impact driver. Kevin, read me the box.
So what we have here is DeWalt sent us their new 1/4 inch quiet hydraulic impact driver kit. It's a 20 volt brushless. It comes with the drill, battery, and charger. It has actually a little handy little bag to carry it in. And I believe this is retailing for around $300, give or take. Depending on if you find it on sale, you might save yourself $20-25. Bare tool, I believe, is running around $200. So for the kit, to me, that's a pretty good price for the three. Battery's going to cost you well over $50-60 anyway. Same with it. And if you don't have the charger or the platform, you're going to need it anyway. So that's what we got.
Yeah, first time I saw it, I just saw bare tool.
Yep.
So I didn't even know this existed as a kit.
Here, you take that. So a lot of tool manufacturers are doing this. I appreciate this because it's a lot less of stuff that we have to throw away. This bare packing, if you got a bag that you're putting it in, let's ship it in the bag. So
we got an impact driver. What's really cool about this, very short head.
Yeah.
Very short head.
Yeah, it seems a little bit wider as far as the diameter.
Yeah, because I brought my old one down just to...
Well, maybe not. Maybe it's just because it's shorter.
Well, it's... I think some of it's the rubber guarding.
Break out the calipers, will you?
Break out the calipers.
All right, so looks like you got a little compact charger.
Oh, wow, okay.
And I don't know if this is we could read if this is a quick charge charger. A lot of these lithium batteries don't take much to charge them back up anyway. And we're at 1 bar.
We're at 1 bar?
Yeah. So we might have to cheat. John just so happens to have.
While you do that, I'm going to plug this in just to see.
See how fast it takes to get it.
Well, it's interesting because on this it has stage 1, stage 2 charging. So I'm wondering if, oh my gosh, we're going to have to read instructions.
We're going to have to read the instructions.
I'm wondering if they're expecting sometimes you might only partially charge it.
Well, let's plug it in and see where we go. So just kind of right off the bat, the rubber overmold on this is fits the hand really well. I don't have particularly large hands, but it's not a very heavy tool. Obviously, I think this battery probably weighs as much as this tool does. So with the smaller battery,
and that's a big battery too.
Yeah.
You want a little one?
Yeah, maybe something a little more comparable too.
This is a little guy.
Yeah. Yeah. First impressions. I love the rubber overmold. Obviously it's comfortable in the hand, kind of non-slip. I really like these rubber ears, and I don't know if that's rubber over plastic, which it kind of looks like more rubber than plastic. Is when you drop this tool, it's kind of protecting that plastic case, and we all know that does happen.
I've got rubber down there.
Yeah, and of course around the head too. But so obviously, it's got one of those. The lights are in to me the right position as opposed to being down low or someplace where your hand's blocking it or the bit's blocking it from shining. So it's got a lot of light pumping out there. So. As I said, 1/4 inch, it's a quick change, call it. And John wants to drive some screws.
I'm seeing a 3-speed too.
Well,
no, 2-speed?
2-speed with what's the other turbo charger?
Turbo?
Man, without reading these manuals, it's killing us. Do you need my glasses?
That is some small writing. Is it angry? Well, let's just find out.
Let's give it a try here.
Let's find out. Okay.
It is a speed selector, so we'll see what it does.
Speed selector. Oh, screw down.
That is
and I'm not even
really quiet.
Yeah. I'm not pulling the trigger on that. Like,
So are you on slow speed here?
I'm pulling the trigger like that much.
Oh, okay. So it's a variable speed.
So I'm on 1, and it is variable speed. Okay. Man, that's quiet. Okay, let's go to 2.
Yeah, you
Two's
want to
moving
be,
along.
you got to be paying attention with that, don't you?
All right.
So, I mean, this is I would say this drill is one.
Is that the?
I'm guessing is this a?
I think it's full send.
Yeah.
Because can you read that?
No, and I couldn't find it in here. Probably not the drill you want to drive your 5/8 number 6s attaching your cabinet screws or cabinet hinge screws.
Yeah. So for furniture,
1, yeah.
we're going to be on 1. But man, okay, so.
That's super quiet.
Well, it's very controlled. You got a little,
Yeah.
you know, obviously it's torquing as you go, but, you know, it just feels like you're in control the whole time. Because if you really go, you know, but it's taking too long.
Okay.
That nod did not like
No,
that.
it didn't
You
like
see
it.
the nod right there?
Yeah. So
For those at home, we just
maybe with the
hit a hard spot.
So is that all the way to the right then?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not getting anywhere here. That's for the batteries.
In the comment section, tell us what it does.
20-minute. So 20-minute LED mode. So all right. So basically, this is about your light. So the light stays on for 20 minutes in that mode.
Okay.
So if you're building
Okay.
your deck at night,
Now I'm seeing it.
you can use it as a flashlight and leave it on.
Okay, so that's flashlight mode. Where
So really, it's a 2-speed.
So
Other,
it's a
other than the
2-speed.
variable.
it's a 2-speed with a flashlight function.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's what confused me, because my old one is actually a 3-speed.
okay.
1, 2, 3. But
So
anyway.
yeah. Obviously, unless you're driving 5-inch or 4.5-inch timber screws, you definitely can tell how quiet the operation is on this. And if you're using this in the shop,
Still 3 bars.
obviously you're probably in this first speed, and you have the ability to kind of feather the trigger. So
Yeah. It's not just an all or nothing.
right,
It's
might be a bigger drill than you probably need for the wood shop, but man, for around the house, just doing stuff, house maintenance. If you're in the DIY mode, man, this would be a killer drill, because I mean, if you can conquer stuff like this,
well, you're not going to run out of power.
yeah.
That's the,
I mean, even if obviously, if you could upgrade or had a higher amp hour battery.
is that a 4 amp that came with it? Sorry, I took the box away.
This is a. Does it say?
1.7 amp hour battery.
Okay. So
So the cells just look big. So this is a big 5. I think it almost balances better at the here.
yeah.
Like
well,
if I'm
You like big. You like the big drills though. So I mean, I do like this. I mean, for me, the smaller shop. I mean, it's like I like the smaller batteries. I mean, a 2 amp hour battery. If you got 2 of them, you're never going to run out of juice.
Yeah.
If you're doing construction, yeah. Okay. If they made a 12 amp hour, you'd probably have that on there.
With the dual splitters?
Yeah. The backpack.
Really, all batteries should just be car batteries that you can, That is nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. I mean, yeah, that's just...
I wouldn't touch that. I bet that's warm.
No, that's cool. Oh, so did it come with a belt clip at all, or a?
It did.
Okay, so it doesn't have the hardware on. So if you want to, you can put the hangy. Let's do the. Oh, that's real nice.
Yep.
That'll work.
It'll hang off your belt just fine, or off your tool belt perfectly. So, yeah, great drill. I like the compact side. Obviously, the quiet part of that is definitely a welcome thing. So
yeah, we should almost turn the lights off because I'm sure that's pumping out a lot of light. Those are three bulbs per,
And then compared to the older model, into a lot of really like, again, love the position of those. Great drill.
We're going to play with it some more.
Yeah, I think this is something we should put in the shop, and let's run this for a little bit, see what we think in a minute or two.
See what we can snap off with it.
Yeah.
So, well, with that, we're going to ask you to put in the comment section what you think, what you want to see. Is this something you're interested in? Consider liking and subscribing. And
hey, if there's a tool that you are interested in us reviewing that's new to the market, give us a comment. We'd love to try it out for you.
See you next time.
See ya.